Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Desiree Lee, your number one sought after self publishing consultant. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys on how you can increase your members on Clubhouse. Basically, I'm going to give you guys some organic Clubhouse growth hacks. I was inspired to do this video because I was in a club and I was in one of the rooms on Clubhouse, and they were a little impressed, to say the least, on how fast I grew my club. How did I increase all of my members? How did I grow it? And I wasn't on Clubhouse as often. So I said, you know what? Let me go ahead and do a video and share with people some of the things that I do on my leisure time to help grow my club on Clubhouse. So I'm excited to share this with you. All right, so if you look at the screen, you already see that I'm in the Clubhouse hallway. If you are familiar with Clubhouse app, then you recognize what it is that you are looking at right now. I'm just going to go to my page here. So this is my profile page here on Clubhouse. This is where my bio is. You'll see the number of followers who are following me on my personal page. However, at the bottom, you will see where it says member of. So the first two clubs are the two clubs that I created here on Clubhouse. So we're going to click on the first club. So here you will see my bio. You guys will see that I have 3.3K members here inside of my Authors and Business Club on Clubhouse. Also, you see that I have 484 followers. Now, usually what happens when somebody does a room in the club, you tend to tell your audience or people who are just coming into the room randomly, if they want to be a member of your club here on Clubhouse, they'll click the little green house and they will follow the club. So what you're seeing is the 484 followers are those individuals who are following the club. They're yet to be members. They're just following it. So what I would do, step one of growth hacks, is I will literally click on the followers tab and I will see the list of followers that are following the club. Okay. And all you do is you'll click on, so we see Jackie. So we're going to click on Jackie and I'm just going to hit add as member. All right. And I'll click on Matt and I'll hit add as member. Now, these two individuals would definitely get a notification saying that Desiree is sending you an invitation to become a member and join this membership group. And they get a chance to decide if they want to join or not. Another way that I increase my members here inside of the club is by clicking the top little guy at the top right corner with the plus sign. So I'll go into my club, I'll click the top guy at the top, and you'll see this little drop down box. Well, drop up because it's coming from the bottom. So drop up and I'll just click on search Clubhouse. Now, when I'm clicking on search Clubhouse, these I can invite people from Clubhouse who I feel as though may be a great fit for the club. Also, it's easier if, as you can see next to Katja, you see where it says invite. Well, these are the people who are actually following me or new followers that I may have. So to me, in my mind, it's like a law of probability. It's a law of probability of how many members that I can have. So here I have 3.3 members, but yet the individuals who are following my page directly is only 2.4. So some people may want to follow you or some people may want to follow the club too as well. All right. So I have this other club as well. So as you can see, I have less members, but more followers. Now, sometimes you don't want to invite the people who are just following to be a member. And I'll share with you guys why in a little bit. However, it'll be the same thing in the author's room. I'll just click on followers. I'll see it, and then I can invite them to become members. Now, usually more times than not, those who are following are more than likely to become a member of that club because they're already interested in following the club. All right. Also, again, you'll click the little plus sign in the top right corner. I'll hit search, and then I can invite all of these individuals who recently followed me here on Clubhouse. The reason why the follow button is awesome on inside of a membership club on Clubhouse is that if I'm going to click here on who I'm following, you'll see here at the top, these are the different clubs that Entrepreneurs of Atlanta that I'm following. So there's only 93 members, but I'm certain that they have a lot of followers. But of course, only if you're an admin, you'll be able to see those followers. So it's not made public to your audience on Clubhouse as well. But when somebody is following it, it is under their follower list as well. Okay. I'm going to go here into the search. So what I did, I came to the search box and I'm just going to type in author here. And when I type in the word author, I'm going to hit clubs. Now here you'll see where there's other clubs that are related to being an author. But the more followers, what I'm seeing is it's not the number of members that brings you to the top of the search, right? Just kind of like a Google search engine, right? It's the number of followers. So we see Authors Lounge here. They only have 802 members, but Authors Helping Authors only has 247 members. The Author Hive has 2.2K members. Now, I think they're grading them based upon the number of followers each clubs have. So you can see the higher the follower count you have of your club, the higher you'll go up into the search. So if there's new people who are joining here in Clubhouse or whatever the case may be, and they're searching for clubs to be members with or new rooms for them to explore, then the number of followers will dictate where you guys are at on when it comes to the search box here on Clubhouse. Okay, so I hope that helped you guys. I hope that really inspired you to go ahead and start your own membership. Make sure you guys are subscribing to the channel here. Also, make sure you give this video a thumbs up too as well. I greatly appreciate your support, your continued support of this channel and helping the community grow. Don't forget to leave inside of the comment box your name of your club on Clubhouse so that I can follow you and become a member. If you have any additional questions, leave them in the comment section below and I will be happy to answer them. So until next time, guys, I'll talk to you soon and I hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend. Bye.